I'm one of the territory managers for Group Stahl, and I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about why I think it's so important to invest in our Transfer Express and Stahls marketing kits. I'm going to go over what's in the kits and how they're truly here to help you set up, grow, and be successful in your business. So come on in a little bit closer. We're going to dive into each of these kits. We're going to start with looking at the Stahls Kit and all the great things it has to offer to you. Let's take a deeper dive into the Stahls marketing kit. As it says right here on the sticker, fire up your heat press. We've got some beautiful samples for you to create and apply inside. So as you open the box, you have this wonderful, really easy to follow table of contents that kind of walks you through and steps you through everything that's in the box. Let's start with our 12 full-size custom CAD cut heat transfer vinyl samples. Great to create salesman samples, allow your customers and clients to touch and feel actual product on garments. It's fun. It's a great way to get creative and create some looks. You can see all the different products in there, very easily listed and referenced on here. Next, you have our ready to apply letters and numbers. Again, custom CAD cut vinyl. You've got our pre-cuts and our pre-aligned and pre-spaced options. Great to create your own samples for your customers and clients to touch and feel. Next, we have our full color CAD prints digital transfer sample. Great way to apply to your various garments and accessories to be able for your clients to touch and feel. It's so important sometimes for customers to get things in their hands and be able to feel what their final product is going to look and feel like. Another great option. Next, you have our CAD cut heat transfer vinyl guide. This is a great little cheat book, if you will, a little Bible of all of our heat transfer products. Gives you time, temperature, and pressure, gives you all of your cutting specs, your force, your offset, what blades to use. It also gives you all of the color options available in each of the product categories. Really, really cool. All the way through to our CAD color products. Last but not least, gives you a little heat map of our delivery options across the continental US. Great little handy tool to keep at your desk, in your drawer, pull out as you're ready to order your CAD cut vinyl. $10 off coupon. I mean, who doesn't want free money? This is a great, great little coupon for those that order from Stahls. This is a little bifold that talks about our CAD cut custom heat transfer vinyl. A lot of folks out there don't realize that we also offer custom cut vinyl. You send us your artwork, we send you a finished transfer ready to heat apply. So kind of talks through all of the options and the product categories that we offer for custom CAD cut, and then gives you pricing, really easy to follow pricing. 5-piece minimum with all of our lead times and how to calculate pricing based on your square inch. This is one of my favorite tools. This is the top 10 heat press accessories you will need to succeed. Walks you through all of the top accessories, why you should have these accessories in your business, how important they are for the success of proper heat application, longevity, and results. So great little guide for you. If you don't have these tools, definitely want to read through this and make sure you have these in your toolbox. A free shirt to create your first sample. And then my ultimate favorite, our heat application wall graphic. This is an actual peel and press sticker. You can put it next to your heat press, on the wall behind your heat press. Great little handy tool. I can't tell you how many times I go to apply a product and I've forgotten my time, temperature, and pressure. And I either have to go to the website to look it up or pull out my catalog to find it. This makes it so handy and so easy to be able to find. Really, really great. So that is everything in your Stahls marketing kit. Great little tool to get started in your business, create some samples. Next, we're going to move along to our Transfer Express marketing kit. So we've already looked at our Stahls marketing kit. This is now our parallel marketing kit over at our sister company, Transfer Express, all things custom screen printed transfers. So let's have a look. Again, a guide will come in the marketing kit telling you exactly what is included in the marketing kit. So let's go through it. First, you will get a free t-shirt with our most popular goof-proof heat transfer to create your first salesman sample. Next, you are going to get 30 full-size, fully customizable heat transfer samples to create your own apparel, your own salesman samples, your own showroom samples. You have a reference guide to each of the products, along with time, temperature, and pressure on how to apply them. This, for those of you that don't know, is a full sheet of our Ultra Color Soft, beautiful full color transfer product. Next, you are going to get a full catalog of all of our blank apparel and accessories that we offer. Really handy to have to take to customers and clients so that you can show them at your fingertips and theirs all of the blank apparel and accessories you have to offer to them. Next, you get a sticker that says you offer custom apparel. This is great. You can put it in your office window, your home window, gosh, even your car window that says you offer custom decorated apparel. You get a $10 off product credit coupon. This is a fantastic little bonus for purchasing the marketing kit. You get a little kit of all of our stock number options, some of our most popular fonts in our most popular products with our time, temperature, and pressure indicated right there to create more samples. This is our perfect pairing. So this is a really cool little tool that we created this year in 2022 in the marketing kit that helps you pair your number with your logo or your name. Makes it really easy. It offers all of the stock color and font options that we offer. Really great added little benefit to the marketing kit for this year. Our 2022 price guide. So this is a really easy bifold of all of our products and how to price them, including our stock numbers and names on the back. This is a mini version of our custom idea book. For those of you that might be brand new to Transfer Express, this is a truly amazing feature of Transfer Express. We offer a fully customizable, full library of layouts and clip arts and fonts available to you absolutely free. You just sign up at Transfer Express for an account and you get all of this for free. So this is just a mini portable version of all of our stock layouts and clip arts that are fully customizable. This is a black and white version. Then you get the full version, 3-hole punched, ready to go to insert in your binder. You get your company name pre-written or pre-printed onto your binder. Nowhere on here does it say Transfer Express, so it's really easy and convenient to take to your customers and walk them through which layouts and clip arts they'd like to utilize without ever giving away who your back-end partners are. And then last but not least, one of my favorite aspects of this marketing kit is our color selector tool. This is an actual drawdown of color, printed color of our over 70 stock colors, including our shimmers, our glitters, our neons, and our metallics. This is a great little tool to have. We all know computer screens can be different. When you're selecting a stock color on your computer screen or on your customer's computer screen, it can be a little bit different based on what you're working with. So this really takes a lot of that guesswork out of it for you and allows you to select right from an actual drawdown of color. That covers everything that is included in the Transfer Express marketing kit. We have gone over the Stahls marketing kit, the Transfer Express marketing kit, all the goodies and tools that you need to get your business set up for success. But that's not all. We have a bonus kit for 2022. One of my absolute favorite creations marketing has come up with for 2022, the application kit by Transfer Express. What a treasure trove of goodies and tools and tips and help for you in success of your business for 2022. Like the other marketing kits, this comes with a little table of contents and reference guide for everything that's included in this handy little kit. So let's dive in and take a look. So we're going to start with our free t-shirt and goof-proof sample. Great way to create your first salesman sample for customers to touch and feel. Next is a mouse pad. For those of you that are thinking, a mouse pad, what do I need a mouse pad for? This is great if you don't have interchangeable platens on your heat press or the ability for those on your heat press. You can just slide this into your apparel, and this allows the print area to raise up so that you can get a nice smooth application, let's say for a left chest polo, a quarter zip. You want to make sure that all of those zippers and buttons and seams are falling off, and that the only thing that's getting the heat transfer is a nice smooth application surface. Great little tool to have. You can even cut it up as well as needed. Next are your temperature strips. These are a great tool to have in your toolbox. These allow you to test the temperature of your heat press. It is extremely important and actually crucial for you to have accurate temperature and pressure and dwell time for a successful application. So this gets you started by allowing you to test the temperature of your heat press. Great little tool to have in your toolbox. Next, and I absolutely love this one, is a application placement guideline. This is fantastic. As you can see, it is pre-cut to follow the neckline of a shirt or a hoodie or a button down or even a quarter zip, and it really helps you with design placement. That's one of the number one questions we get asked is, how do I know if I've properly placed my transfer down on my garment? Well, now you don't have any guesswork. This makes it really easy. Next, we have created a full-size application chart. No more guesswork. No more having to scramble to find the application instructions in the order or on our website. This is a full-size poster of all of the Transfer Express products, time, temperature, pressure, and whether it's peel cold or peel hot. Great to tape on the wall behind your heat press, on the table next to your heat press. Just a great little tool to have in your arsenal. And last but not least, two more things. $10 off coupon. Who doesn't love free money? So great little bonus in the kit for you. And then last but not least, cover sheets. So you get a nice pack of cover sheets to be able to use with our Ultra Color Soft Stretch and Stretch with Blocker product. These are reusable, very handy to have, great little tool to have in your toolbox. And that covers everything that's in the new 2022 application kit out of Transfer Express. And just to reiterate, so I'm not confusing anybody, the white reusable cover sheets out of Transfer Express are only to be used on full color, ultra color transfers or to cover up partially decorated garments. That's a great little tip to use the reusable cover sheets. We have gone over some beautiful, tremendously helpful resources for you. I can't stress and recommend these kits enough to help you set up a successful business or continue your ongoing business. For more information and pricing on these kits, please click the link below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow and like us.